Meeting and greeting. Master the art of introducing others in English. Hello there, English learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Learning English Introduction to English Basic Vocabulary series. Today, we'll be focusing on a crucial topic: introducing others. Remember, first impressions matter, and knowing how to properly introduce others can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. When introducing others, it's important to use the appropriate phrases. Here are some of the most common ones. This is name. I'd like you to meet. Name. Have you met? Name. I'd like to introduce you to. Name. Remember to use the other person's full name when introducing them for the first time. Depending on the context, your introductions may vary in formality. Let's look at some examples. Formal introductions. In formal settings, like business meetings, conferences, or formal parties, it's appropriate to use titles and full names. Example: Mr. Smith, I would like to introduce you to Dr. Jane Johnson. Example: Professor Anderson, have you met our department head, Dr. Emma Williams? Informal introductions. In formal settings, like friendly gatherings or casual meetups, typically use first names only. Example: Amy, this is Mike. Mike. Amy. Example: Guys, I'd like you to meet my friend, Sarah. When introducing others, it can be helpful to provide additional information, especially if it helps to start a conversation. This could be their occupation, a shared interest, or even why you are introducing them. Example: John, I'd like to introduce you to Mary. Mary is a travel blogger and also loves hiking, just like you. Example: This is my colleague, Alan. We are working on the same project at the university. Remember, be sure that any information you share is appropriate and something the person you are introducing is comfortable with. Introducing others is a common social practice and an essential part of English language. Practicing these phrases and paying attention to the level of formality can greatly improve your confidence in English-speaking settings. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue expanding your English language skills. See you in the next video.